Hey, yo, what's going on, y'all? So today, it's gonna be a short video that I got in here, straight from Australia. Just from Australia, right? We Are Likewise. So this came out, I seen it a few weeks ago. Looked like it was gonna be a meme, didn't know if it was for real or not, but I want y'all to go ahead, bask in this right here. Oh shoot, that's right, I got a t-shirt. Forgot about that. Put that right there. Got the extension right here. Oh yeah, also forgot about this too. Got my drift button. Yes sir, but the main thing, oh shoot. Yes sir, the Lil Pump. That Lil Pump, this thing is legit. Nice. So let me go ahead, finish opening this up. There you go. Okay. All right, y'all. So here we are in the car. I have the Likewise shifter, Lil Pump, and then I also have the adapter for it. So I'm gonna start off by taking off this shift knob right here. Alright, cool. So, unfortunately this one was not the Likewise shift knob. Thought it was, but it wasn't. I don't know what I was expecting for $25, but that's not the Likewise shift knob. So, the first thing you want to do is go right here for some new instructions. My bad. And then, this is pretty straightforward to install. It's going to be the part and an Allen tool right here. Really simple. Just gonna thread this onto here, and then one thing is, don't use this to tighten this once you get this all the way down. Once you get that all the way down, I believe this is a 5/8. Let me see. Yeah, 5/8 wrench. Tighten this down. I believe a 16 will also work too. I tried both on there. They both kind of fit the same. But once you get that on there, go ahead and pop this open. I don't know if there's a whole bunch of background noise, but you got this chilling on the passenger seat. So here it is. I already unboxed it. Pretty simple little unit. I thought that this was a troll, but it turns out they actually made it and sent it out. So there's a few different ways that this opens. So you're gonna have this way that removes the entire bottle. A lot of things. So this part comes separate along with this part too. So if you wanted, you could run just this open shift knob, just like that. And I don't know what material this is made out of, but this A1. So these are two different pieces. I'm not too sure what this piece is in here, but that's also in there. I guess we'll get onto the bottle itself. It's just a little squirt bottle. It has an O-ring right there. Open that up. So if you do want to put some weird stuff in here, hey, you know, to each their own. It's pretty easy to clean. You just take that apart, take this out, put some soapy water through there, and clean the bottle. That's that. Not really much to it. And then what this Allen key is for is so that this faces wherever you want it to face. So if you want the Rona logo facing towards you, you adjust this. You counterclockwise or clockwise so that this bottoms out on that. So we'll see how this sits. The Likewise logo on both sides. But I don't know what I'll to show y'all. It's just a shift knob, but let's see a Lil Pump shift knob right there. Feels like any other normal shift knob in the hand. This cutout feels a little weird. And along with the shift knob, I also picked up the drift button from Likewise. It's gonna be in here. It's gonna be the same thing that came in the adapter. It's gonna be the drift button this time, and then the Allen key. And then like the adapter in here, you're gonna use the Allen tool to adjust where you want the Likewise logo to sit. Pretty simple. Set that up here. I don't know why, but I got a napkin. Like if I'm gonna reuse this. I'll clamp that on there, and then we're gonna loosen this. All right, so it's too much work trying to leave that napkin on there and take this off. But to get this drift button off, or not the drift button, to get the e-brake button off, you're just gonna have your vice grip right here, and then just push it towards the passenger seat. Keep doing that. There's a bunch of threads in there. The spring shouldn't shoot out, but just make sure you're cautious of that. So here's the Likewise drift button. So you can leave the spring in there. Okay, let me back out a little bit. Okay, so you can leave the spring in there if you want. What that's gonna do if you leave it out, so like I said with that Allen key, I probably leave that right there in Likewise. So this is not gonna lock up. Yeah, I don't have any interior, so all this is pretty loud. But pretty much what this is gonna do is gonna allow you to grab the handle, rip it up, and then go back on the shifter. So you don't have to come over here, pull this back, and then mess with all that. But if you do decide, you know, you want to be hot boy racer, in order to set the e-brake, you'll rip it up and then pull that out, and that's set just like that. So it's not really much to it. You can just leave it if you want. Hold that up, push this out, leave that. But I think what I'm gonna do is I might just leave the spring in there, just because I do enjoy driving this thing. And as my supercharger comes back, we're gonna rebuild. We'll drive this some more. So here you go, locks in as normal. Hold that down, e-brake handle goes. So there is the drift button and the little pump shift knob. And as always, I will catch y'all in the next one. Later.